Before confusion, before noise, before the weight of the world, there was sacred peace. In that holy stillness, Obatala was present.
Obatala, ancient Orisha of purity, wisdom, mercy, and peace. I honor your sacred presence and welcome your calm into my spirit.
Obatala, quiet the storms within me. Still my racing thoughts, soften my fears, and return my spirit to sacred calm. Cleanse my mind of confusion, heaviness, and troubling thoughts. Wash me in clarity, peace, and the light of good judgment.
Bless me with wisdom, Obatala. Teach me patience, right thinking, and the discipline to choose peace over chaos.
Lead me in divine order, straighten my path, remove disorder, and guide me into what is peaceful, wise, and aligned.
Heal the quiet wounds I have carried too long. Bring mercy to my heart and peace to every place that still hurts.
Obatala, teach me mercy. Let compassion guide my words, my thoughts, and the way I treat others and myself.
Bless my home with peace, safety, and harmony.
As the dove carries peace through the sky, let peace take flight through my spirit, my family, and my destiny.
Teach me patience, Obatala. Help me trust divine timing and remain steady when answers seem slow to appear.
Break confusion, disorder, and unrest. Let purity restore what has been scattered, and let clarity return to my life.
From the sacred heights, Obatala sees clearly. Lift my spirit higher so I may rise above confusion and see with wisdom. Bring justice without bitterness, truth without violence, and resolution without chaos. Let peace and righteousness walk together.
Bless my future with order, peace, and divine favor. Let what lies ahead be guided by wisdom and protected by your grace.
Obatala, I give thanks for the peace you bring, the wisdom you teach, and the healing you pour into every willing heart.
Pour your blessing over my life, Obatala. Let purity guard my heart, wisdom guide my steps, and peace cover my path.
When the spirit is quiet, truth can be heard. When the heart is purified, peace becomes the language of the soul.
May my life be guided by calm strength, divine order, and sacred light. Ashe.